G'day guys. Well, it's Good Friday 2020, perhaps a year we'd rather forget. Now, we've all been told to stay at home, but I've got this secret little camp spot I think I can get to pretty quickly without anybody knowing. Now, the family hasn't come with me. They said if I make it, they'll walk there. So, let's go guys. We're off. Just leaving the driveway now and we're already starting to hit the tracks. Oh, and we've reached an obstacle. Well, finally made it to camp. Not a bad spot. Even got a 5 hit. So I'll go set up now. Well guys, all set up now. If we need any essentials, well, we don't have far to travel. Remember guys, stay at home this Easter weekend. Cheers guys.